Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, hurtling towards Earth. This catastrophic scenario might sound like science fiction, but let us explore what would happen if such an event were to occur. Saturn is a gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with a diameter of approximately 116,460 kilometers. Its rings, made up of ice and rock particles, span over 282,000 kilometers. As Saturn approaches Earth, the gravitational forces between the two planets would cause unprecedented chaos. The tidal forces exerted by Saturn would create massive earthquakes and tsunamis, devastating coastal cities and altering the planet's geography. The atmosphere of Saturn, which contains traces of ammonia, methane, and water vapor, would mix with Earth's atmosphere, leading to unpredictable weather patterns and potentially toxic air quality. The sheer size of Saturn would block out the sun, plunging Earth into darkness. Interestingly, Saturn's magnetic field is about 578 times stronger than Earth's. As it gets closer, this powerful magnetic field would wreak havoc on Earth's own magnetic field, leading to widespread electrical disruptions and communication failures. In the final moments before collision, the gravitational forces would tear both planets apart. The debris from this catastrophic event would form a new asteroid belt around the Sun, potentially posing a threat to other planets in the solar system. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it underscores the fragility of our planet and the importance of understanding the forces that govern our solar system. It also highlights the need for continued exploration and study of our cosmic neighborhood. In recent years, advancements in space technology have allowed us to learn more about Saturn and its moons. For instance, the Cassini spacecraft, which orbited Saturn for over 13 years, provided invaluable data about the planet's atmosphere, rings, and moons. As we continue to explore the mysteries of our solar system, it is crucial to remember that our understanding of space is still in its infancy. The more we learn, the better equipped we will be to protect our planet and ensure the survival of future generations.